Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of White Noise Online. This is an improved camera angle, I'm hoping. So, without further ado, here we go. So, we are going to try that map again. Because, obviously last time I did awful. Same guy, because I like this guy. He's got some good stats. And here's my second run through. So, here we are. I need a tape. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what that tape is. I bet you'd have walked right past it. It's really loud, this tape. I just don't know where it is. It's gotta be here somewhere. I've just heard a growl. That's quite creepy. Okay, I'm just going to move on the step up. There's no tape here. Guess we're following this path. Oh, there's the tape. Oh, good job I looked to the right then. Oh, there that guy is. There he is. I remember we got caught by him last time. Okay, looks like he's gone now. Dead end over here. Looks like we'll be turning to the left. Going through this forest. Oh, there he is. Okie dokie. Oh. I can hear like these weird growls. This is not good. This is really disturbing. Oh! Oh my god! Whoa! Okay. That was even shorter than last time. Okay, that was really scary. Okay, I was not expecting that at all. Oh god. Well, that was White Noise Online episode 2. Got this little replay here. Okay, let's just skip that. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more awesome content, then just subscribe. So there'll be plenty of new videos to come. I'm going to start doing a new series, bit of variety rather than just Call of Duty Zombies. So, yeah, once again guys, just subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And that's all. See you later.